Yes, offering maintenance plans is one of the smartest moves a home service business can make. They turn one-time customers into repeat clients, create steady income you can count on every month, and build trust that keeps people calling you instead of your competitors. Think of a maintenance plan like a subscription for your house, kind of like paying for a video game pass instead of buying a new game every single time. Customers pay a small fee every month or every year, and in return you check their plumbing or their system regularly before anything breaks. This is huge because most emergencies do not happen out of nowhere. They build up slowly from tiny problems nobody notices. A pipe that is a little loose or a water heater that is a little old will usually give warning signs weeks before it fails. Something not many people realize is that plumbers who offer maintenance plans often make more money from prevention than they ever did from emergency repairs, because steady visits build trust and lead to bigger jobs later. It also means less stress for the homeowner and less chaos for you, since you are not scrambling for last-minute emergency calls as often. Basically, you are selling peace of mind, not just a wrench in a pipe fix. One common mistake is pricing the plan too low just to get people to sign up, which ends up costing you money instead of making you money, so always calculate your time and materials before setting a price. Another mistake is not clearly explaining what is included, which leads to confused or frustrated customers, so write out exactly what each visit covers in simple language. A lot of contractors also forget to follow up with reminders, so customers forget they even have a plan, and a simple text or email reminder before each visit keeps people engaged and happy. If you need help with a project, you can search for trusted and affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBitTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.